we're so proud and happy to announce today that Xavier is here, one of the premier fully accredited medical school in the entire region. And as you know, Xavier is committed to providing scholarships, and our committee reviewed many of the applicants who applied for the medical school. And earlier, the school used to give only 50% scholarship, but the board has approved and agreed to give a full 100% scholarship to two of the best of the Aruban citizens.
Wow.
The few students applied for the scholarships, and the committee reviewed and interviewed the students, their objectives, and why they want to become a doctor and how they want to serve the humanity and Aruba. And the committee finally approved and came to me. These are the two students, Darlene Dole and Vanya Tromp. Both are going to get 100% free scholarships. Each scholarship is carrying about $189,000. So they will not pay any tuition. Thank you. They will not pay any tuition, and they will be our students and your ambassadors. And I see the parents are here. I'm so happy. And I also had to thank His Excellency Minister for his support, continued guidance for us, how we can help and do. And same thing with His Excellency Prime Minister and the entire team, and most importantly, the people of Aruba, who is welcoming us, making this a reality for Xavier to serve the community and be part of the community.
Thank you, Ravi. Palavra di pabieng na Darlene e Vanya. Nós temera emocionante alto din sala, ora ku no momento sina special onder dos jovens local de Aruba, te worden honra com full scholarship de 4 anos na valor de $189,000, $189,000, para sina nan por haya nan titulo de medical doctor studiando aqui na Aruba. Palavra de danke na Xavier University e para explicar tikima para nos terminar e parte aqui, se aqui tem anúncio positivo de ainda, nós que agradecer Xavier que também está invertindo na Aruba total de $70 milhões para projeto Hopi Bonita, que já acaba em fase 1 tá na Hatton, onde tem 198 câmaras que pode dormir e biba e estudar em uma escola universidade ultramoderna, e de 2 fases. A começa acaba também com auditório novo, laboratório local, então uma escola full-fledged e uma inversão de $70 milhões que está going on as we speaking. Apesar de ser, e on top de ser aqui, te regalar 2 estudiantes Arubiano full scholarship para medical doctor. Pois, masha danke. Thank you, Ravi. It's my pleasure. In the name of the government of Aruba, we want to thank you.
Thank you so much.
E hope éxito na nosso estudante.